Hello all, welcome to Global Offensive Hacker Associate community and welcome to another hacking episode of Hacker Associate. In this video, we are going to learn about CORS, we call as in Cross Origin Resource Sharing. And we are going to see the lab number 1, okay, and here the lab name is the CORS Vulnerability with Basic Origin Deflection. And I am taking the example of Portswigger in order to understand the particular vulnerability, and after that I am going to show the same vulnerability on the live application, and we are going to see how to hunt for that and how to make a POC on that. I am Harshad, founder and CEO of Hacker Associate. Let's begin. So what we require is, okay, first we need the URL in order to work with the CORS vulnerability. So you can simply just go here, open the URL. Okay, so I am familiar with the Bub Suite, so I can go to the open browser, and here I'm going to press okay the particular link. So you can clearly see, okay, right now it asking for the credential. Okay, so here is a login page. When I click on the login page, and here okay is a username. Okay, so username I can write, okay, is called as a WIENER. This is already given by the Bub Suite people, or we can say by the Portswigger. And then password is, I think, is Peter. So when you click here login, so you can clearly see I am logged in. Okay, and when you go to the Bub history, there is a history tab. Okay, right now I'm going to delete everything. Right click, delete selected item, click here yes, and after that you can simple go to this particular buttons, right? So you can check each and every functionality of the application. So when I click on my account, example let's say this one, you can see clearly, okay, the API key is exposed. Okay, this is called username is winner, and then API key is here. Now what I can do is, okay, I can select the particular, okay, like the request which is here, and I can simply select here, right click, send to the repeater. So this is a repeater tab, and when I go here and you can see this is the account detail, send it, you will be seeing here access control allow credential true. So what we are going to do is anywhere, okay, after the host header or after the referrer header, okay, you can add, okay, this packet we call as an origin. So this is origin, so I'm just adding the header, okay, the origin, and then any application name you can put it here. Example, let's say hackerassociate.com. Check the spelling properly, or you can simple send it. So once you send it, you can see clearly here, okay, this is reflecting. And when you see the access control allow origin, which is this, and access control allow credential which here, okay, which is true, it means it is a vulnerable. It is a vulnerability is here, okay, in this present, okay, in this particular application. So how we can exploit this particular vulnerability? So what we can do is we can simply go to the exploit server and we can make our POC. So in this case, I'll go to my Sublime. I will just simply go here and I'll copy this thing. This is JavaScript code, and simple I go to the body. Okay, and here, okay, we require the URL, okay, in order to work with this. So right now you can see this is the page. If I go to the Bub, okay, this is the page. You can simply right click and copy URL from here. Okay, otherwise you can simply go to this section. So this is the particular page which we are testing. So you can select this one, copy from here, copy it, okay, and then you can simply go to the exploit server, and here you can add the URL. So here I'm just replacing everything, adding the URL, give extra / removed it, and it is done. Okay, when this part is done, you can simply go to the store. So it is, you can see clearly it is done, and after that you can go to the view exploit. So it is taking time, just wait for it. Okay, so it is exploit is working, and now again go to the exploit server. Now we want to deliver this exploit to the victim. So deliver exploit to the victim, and after that we are going to access the log. So it is already delivered. Go to the lab, or this exploit server. Okay, so we have here, okay, we can once again we're going to deliver this thing and go to there, access the log. So right now if you can check, okay, like we have this thing and I'm looking for the key. So here is nothing, and if you can check in this section, you will be getting the key which is here. So I'll copy from this section from here, copy it just like that. Okay, and then go to the submit solution which is here. Click here submit solution and click here OK. You can see like we successfully solved the lab. That's how okay like we can check for the vulnerability. So the conclusion here is okay, so when you take the request here, you can add anywhere okay like this header origin and check okay what response okay you are getting. Based on the response okay you can exploit the particular vulnerability. I hope this video is informative for you. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day ahead. See you in the next episode.